What's up, hobby friends? My name is Casey, and this is the quick start guide for Goblin Hobbies Stampin' plates. Now that you've got your Stampin' kit, let's go through some of the things you're going to need and how to get the best results. Your Goblin Hobbies Stampin' Starter Kit includes a double-ended stamper, a scraper card, 2 Stampin' plates, and 2 Stampin' colors. You're going to need some acetone for cleaning your plates and scraper. We recommend 100% acetone and not any kind of nail polish remover, as this could leave residue on your plate and clog up your designs. Cotton rounds or paper towels for wiping everything down. Clear tape, which is going to be used to get the excess paint off of your stamper head, and of course a model to stamp on. Before stamping, we recommend that you wash the silicone stamping heads with warm water and dish soap to remove any oils that might interfere with image transfer. All of our plates come with a blue film that protects it while it's being shipped. You're going to want to make sure to remove that before applying any color. It won't work if you haven't. Once you've done that, we're ready to go. Once you've chosen a design and a color, you're going to want to put enough paint to cover about half of your design. Use the scraper at a 45-degree angle with moderate pressure to spread the paint evenly. The idea is that you want to scrape away the excess paint from the top of the design, leaving enough in the recesses so that you can pick up that design. There are 2 methods that we use to pick up designs. Method number 1, press and release. You look through the clear end of the stamper and press lightly onto the plate. Let the silicone cover the design without pressing too hard or lingering. This helps pick up the design cleanly and avoids excess designs from being picked up. Be quick and gentle to prevent warping or grabbing unwanted designs. If you do pick up extra designs, use tape to clean them off before stamping on your model. Method 2, the rolling motion. Lightly roll the stamper over the design in one smooth motion from top to bottom. This method is more reliable, but may pick up extra details. Again, use tape to clean up any unwanted designs. Line up the design by looking through the clear stamper. Once you've lined it up, press down evenly, making sure all of the parts of the design make full contact with the model. Lift away, and you're done. Your model now has a crisp, painted-on design. Clean your plate and scraper with acetone after each stamp. Paint left over will make the next pickup more difficult. Don't use the acetone on the stamper. It could cloud the silicone. Instead, remember to use tape to remove excess paint. Speed matters. The paint dries quickly, so work efficiently when picking up and transferring designs. Consistency is key. Apply even pressure when scraping, stamping, and transferring to get clean results. Less is more. Avoid pressing too hard on the plate when you pick up a design. Too much and you won't get a clean pickup and you can warp that design. Clean as you go. Regularly clean the plate, scraper, and stamper after each stamp to keep designs crisp. Practice makes perfect. Like any skill in miniature painting, the more you stamp, the better you're going to get. With each model, your technique will improve, leading to cleaner, more precise results. And that's pretty much it. You're now ready to start stamping like a pro. For a longer and more detailed step-by-step tutorial video, visit goblinhobbies.com for our full starter guide. Thanks for watching. I'm Casey with Goblin Hobbies, and happy stamping.